Hello everyone, it's my honor to introduce the STAVIX Smart Hub to you. As the brain of the smart home, we can use it to build and control the smart home ecosystem easily. It's compatible with all major categories of smart home, including IP camera, lightning, doorbell, door lock, sensors, alarm, switch, plug, app links, smart speaker, and so on. Then how could we use it? Let me show you. First, we need a STAVIX Smart Hub, which is linked to internet and power on, and a smartphone with Android or iOS system, and download the apps named STAVIX to the phone. Enter the home page of the STAVIX apps, and then click the plus button at the upper right corner. Then, scan the QR code under the Smart Hub. Then you will enter the naming interface. Make a name of the devices and go to the next step. Create the family and room which you want to add the Smart Hub, and locating the home, then completing the Smart Hub addition. This is the temperature and humidity sensor. This is the water leak sensor. This is the smart Wi-Fi plug. This is the gas sensor. This is the IR motion sensor. This is the smoke sensor. This is the smart RGB light. This is the door contact sensor. This is the smart switch. And this is the curtain trail. Enter the list interface. Click the button Devices. The Smart Hub will start matching timing. And then reset the devices with a pin. Before cutting down ends, you can add the sub-devices to the hub. Click the menu bar of the apps interface to enter the sub-devices list interface to check the sub-devices has been added. Now I will show you how to add the smart light. Keep the smart light power on, and then switch on and off rapidly 5 times until it starts shining. Then click the Add Devices button and it will start matching. Then you can find the light on the apps, and we can control it on the apps too, to power on and power off, and change the color. Now I will show you how to add a smart switch. First, keep the smart switch power on. Second, long press for 3 seconds until this blue light is on. And then Press one more time. The blue light will flashing. Then click the Add Devices button on the apps. It will start to matching. Now you can see the switch is in the sub-devices list. You can control it on the apps. Now I will show you how to add the curtain rail. First, keep the curtain rail power on. Second, press this C button. Until this light is on. Then, click the Add Devices button on the wood. And you can see the curtain rail has been added. Then, you can control it on the apps. Half open. Turn off. And full open. Now I will show you how to add the smart plug. First, click the Add button on the homepage of the STAVIX apps. Second, scan the QR code and power the plug on. Then long press the button until the light is flashing. Then you can find a hotspot on the phone apps, the hotspot of the plug. And then connect your phone with this hot plug. And then back to the apps. Press next step. Then you can input the Wi-Fi you would like to add and the password. Then name the devices. Then you can find the plug on the phone apps, and you can control it on the phone apps. Now I will show you how to create automation on the STAVIX apps. I will give you an example with the door sensor, curtain trail, and smart light. First, we enter the My interface and find the automation interface. Click the Create Automation. Choose Add Condition after Trigger Condition. Choose Device Condition. Door Sensor. Turn on, down. And then Add Action. We choose Action. First, we select the curtain. Full open. Next step. No delay, so 0 second. Down. Then add another action. Also action. RGB light. Turn on. Next step. No delay. Down. And then name this automation. Down. Now the first automation has been saved, and we add another one. Then you can see there are two automations. One is open, one is closed, and I will show you. This is open. And this is closed. We can use the same way to add other devices and create new automations. This is the operation guide of STAVIX Smart Hub and apps. Thank you.